Begin with a visual inspection. Check the belt tension and condition, look for corroded battery terminals, and inspect wiring for any damage. Use a multimeter to test the battery voltage, which should be 12.6 volts or higher with the engine off. Then check alternator output, which should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts at idle. Load testing further assesses battery and alternator health under simulated demand. An OBD2 scanner can pull specific error codes, such as P2562 for low voltage, providing precise diagnosis. Repairs may involve replacing the alternator for $300 to $800, the battery for $100 to $300, cleaning corroded connections, or tightening the serpentine belt. If the problem persists, especially in modern vehicles with complex electronics, seek professional assistance. Engine control module issues or software glitches may be the cause.